Getting accurate positioning and heading in difficult environments can be a challenge. That's where the GPX1's dual GNSS receivers come in. By integrating two separate GNSS receivers, two antennas, you can rely on precise dual GNSS positioning and heading with RTK accuracy. This eliminates the need for external magnetometer heading, ensuring reliable results even in GPS-challenged urban settings or dense environments. With dual antennas, the GPX1 combines data from two separate GNSS receivers to compute highly accurate heading and position information, so you can expect superior results whether you're in a busy city or navigating through the wilderness. Whether it's for drone navigation, autonomous vehicles, or ground survey, the GPX1's dual GNSS receivers ensure your systems maintain centimeter level accuracy, even when traditional GPS solutions fail. Stop worrying about inconsistent or unreliable positioning and heading. Choose the GPX1 for confidence in your navigation, no matter where you are.